Oh my god. Yeah, the world is going down, and absolutely don't smash that like button, guys. What is going on? Jesus freaking Christ. Man, I haven't seen something like this since March 2020. Absolute start of a sell-off, absolutely ridiculous, and it seems doesn't stop. Okay, everything is down. Value, growth, Tesla, space, S&P 500, everything. You cannot hide in any corner out there. And the funny thing though is that people usually say, when the market is down, I will buy everything. But when the market is down, everybody is afraid to buy anything, okay? Or run already out of money. So let me know in the comments where you are watching from. So I really appreciate you are switching in such a, let's say, exciting moment of the market, right? There's a couple of things I want to talk with you about. So first of all, what is going on and why, or when do you know when to buy, right? So I want to show you something. If we are looking, for example, into the S&P 500, and you can basically go to any stock, any stock, okay? It's the same. So open the S&P 500 now, minus 1.66%. And you will see that actually you can have something like this every single day. Okay, we had this yesterday more or less, then we had it today as well. In the opening, we go the first 45 minutes down. The first half an hour, 45 minutes are very volatile. And then is the question, when do you buy? Okay. And you usually do, and I explained it a couple of times here, when you see the VIX going up. Now, see what the VIX did today. The VIX went even up to 29, okay, almost 29. This is a level, let's have a look when the VIX was the last time at 29, somewhere around December. We had 31, okay? And then we had a rebound as well towards the end of the year, the Santa rally, and so on and so forth, right? So you can see here those peaks you can actually trade quite nicely. And I think even when it's temporary, next week we should get a bounce back, okay? And I will tell you why. There is many stocks that are absolutely hammered, okay? Also, Virgin Galactic reached and basically what they reached. And 52 weeks low, 8.48, okay? Then you have the, where is it? The other stock, Tesla. Where is Tesla? 1 second, guys. Tesla, okay? Reached 900 and I saw it 940 or something. 940, okay? Also here we bounce a little bit back. Let's see, we still have like 40 minutes to go, but it doesn't look good, right? Doesn't look great. So Amazon is down 5.5%. This is ridiculous, okay? So that's quite interesting what's happening here. A lot of fear into the market, and those are the timings where you can buy some cheap stocks, at least cheaper, okay? However, guys, don't mistake that as something that you can trade short term. It's very volatile and would stay volatile this year. This year will be very interesting what will happen. So don't just go blindly and buy every dip. Have a strategy, okay? My strategy is long-term investing. Every month, you put in your favorite stocks and you move forward, right? Don't be like absolutely brain dead and YOLO everything in stocks that you even don't know about or anything like that. This is very dangerous and or margin or leverage, very hard in these times, guys. But you know, those are the best days to buy when there's super fear. And there's one more thing. Fear and greed index also now turned more into the fear here, as you can see. So, and guys, there's a geopolitical situation going on with Russia and US. Okay, I mean, I don't know, they have met, right, the representatives of both countries, but it doesn't look like it is at some point. Okay, so that's also like a big black cloud over the stock market, together with the Fed. And what is the Fed doing next week? And speaking about next week will be very interesting. Okay, let's have a look. So first we go to the FOMC, which are the federal meetings. Okay, and then you see here on the January 25 and 26. All right, so that means that on the 25, which is Tuesday, and on the 26, which is Wednesday actually, after the meeting, they will have a press conference at, I think, 2 p.m. Eastern time. This day will be absolutely interesting because it's also the day where actually those Tesla earnings comes out. Okay, so Tesla earnings, Fed meeting. And I think at this Fed meeting, now think about it. Okay, what happened? Fed came out and said, okay, we will maybe rise rates. We will do a QT, a tempering, right? And we will reduce our balance sheet and so on. So they throw everything on the table. Then there was like guys like Bill Ackman. Okay, Bill Ackman came out and say maybe the Fed should rise even 50 basis points. Okay. On March, and this was another, addition. Now everybody talks about 50 basis. So it seems like it's now the worst news storm ever came all together, right? And it seems like it drags the market quite ridiculously down. But then, you can take every statistic out there after such oversold of the market. Let's have a look into those numbers. Actually, this is very important. S&P 500, for example. Okay, let's have a look. So the RSI levels, as you can see here, the RSI levels at 32. Okay, the last time it was here. Look what happened. We bounced back. Or here, okay, also bottom, then we went up. So I'm not saying that the overall selling is over, but think about it that here we have actually with the 200 moving average at 4,028. Why does this not actual? It should be. Let me update this. Okay, so we have here the support of the 200 moving average, and this is important. Once we break through that, then technically there's a lot of problems. Okay, so it stays very tensed. Okay, this is very tensed. All right, this is very tense, and I see like many people are tensed. But understand what is happening, guys. The VIX is on a high that I haven't seen for a long time. As you can see, since December we haven't seen this high. So maybe, and look the quick raise of the VIX. Okay, this is also very important, how quickly it raised. So all in all, I think you should consider all of that before doing anything. I think put down on piece of paper a kind of strategy that you have for your own, what you want to do in your life. Okay, you want to have a quick buck, then maybe the stock market isn't something for you. But in those hard times, it's first, you learn the most. Second, you can buy very, very easily, very, very nicely stocks for a big discount. Think about it. Tesla in the beginning of the year was at 1,200, okay? 1,200. Now you're getting it for 950, okay? So that's great. A company that will work and grow crazy amounts of percentage, yeah? So yeah, that's pretty much what I wanted to show you guys. Very, very, very hard day for many portfolios out there, but there will be better days, I can assure you that. Best regards goes to Connecticut, Australia, Czech, Norway, Italy, Portugal, Sydney, Canada. We go and we say hi to Vancouver, Canada, New York City in the house as well. Man, thank you very much, and just enjoy the weekend, guys, because this week was absolute. Where's the weekend, right? So enjoy the weekend. I hope you learned something today, and next week will be very interesting. I think next week could be a bounce back, at least temporary, okay? But don't lose all your money on the way down if you're trading, because then, you know, a small bounce back will not help you much, okay? So with that said, thank you very much for watching, and I see you next time. And at no point give me a thumb up, and don't subscribe, please, guys. I wish you the very, very, very best weekend that you ever had.